Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete page break from Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document or open your existing document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I delete page break from this document. At first, I have to insert a page break. You have to insert page break to move your cursor end of this page. Now go to insert menu and you can see our break option, then click page break. Now you can see here are a page break option. Now I delete this page break from these documents. You have to move your mouse cursor to first of this page and press backspace or delete to your keyboard. Now you can see I delete page break from Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.